Hi you guys, welcome back. I am so excited for today. It's one of my favorite recipes I brought to you guys because it's something that I think everyone can do. It's something everyone should know how to do. We are making cheese boards. Now this one is not your average cheese board. We're doing a couple different things that are going to kick it up a notch, make it extra special, extra memorable, so that whenever you have an event or a gathering, you're expected to bring something. You can do this, no one will know how easy it is, and you're going to blow their minds. So let's get started. Get a double boiler going. If you don't have one, you can just do what I do, which is drop a stainless steel bowl that's about the same size as the pot you're using over boiling water. Add 1 cup of honey and a few sprigs of fresh thyme. I'm crushing them a little bit before dropping it in. This is just to get the oils releasing. It's the same process you would do if you were muddling herbs into a drink. After 25 minutes, strain into a glass jar and your honey is infused. Add 2 generous dashes of salt. This is going to intensify the flavor of the herbs in the honey even more. When you're ready to serve, drop in a few sprigs of fresh thyme for garnish. Bring a cast iron grill pan to medium heat. Make sure it's oiled really well before you add the first layer of sliced baguettes. After 5 minutes, flip these over and do another 5 minutes on the other side. This should leave you with beautiful grill marks on your crostinis. When it comes to arranging your cheese board, pick a focal point. In this case, we're using the honey and it is in the middle. It doesn't always have to be that way. Then once you've set your focal point, start from the outer edges and work your way in. Grapes are always a good option. They're classic, they're beautiful, and they take up a lot of space. When it comes to your cheese, I actually find that neutral colors look a lot more classic and elegant. So if you're going for something that's traditionally a little more orange, like cheddar, opt for a white cheddar instead. My next tip is to ditch the apples for a similarly shaped fruit that's going to bring so much more color and depth. These nectarines are way more striking on the plate. Cheese boards are all about circles and S-curves, but you want to leave some room for layering. Today we're using sliced strawberries to fill in the gaps, but get creative with it. You can use blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, whatever smaller fruit you're into. Sprinkle some salt over all of the fruit. That might seem weird, but it's really just going to draw out the natural flavors and make everybody wonder why this fruit tastes so good. My final tip is less is more. We did not put that much on this cheese board and it is stunning. I promise you it is going to be cleared out by the end of the night. Alright you guys, that is it. A little bit of effort goes a long way with fruit and cheese boards. This is going to be so special and so memorable. I really hope you get a chance to try it soon. If you haven't yet, be sure and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. I post new videos every Monday, 9 a.m. Pacific time. Be sure to give this a thumbs up if you liked it. If you want to see more like it, leave it down below in the comments. And I'll see you guys next Monday.